you know what they done, you know, the man, you know, the one, you know. Right now, me are
Chaddy TV.
Chaddy TV, and we say check him out for all your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know. You see me?
On YouTube, you know. Come in, say YouTube, that show, and such show. Yo.
Yeah. Chaddy, I'm your biggest fan.
Break it, Chopper.
It's exploded right now.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And by now everybody's supposed to know the song when named Deep Sleep with Alkaline release when Friday gone. You see me? It have a whole internet in a frenzy of who Alkaline really did attack. And in my review, me telling you say me I go do a follow-up review and telling you who Alkaline attack. Who Alkaline I go put in a deep sleep. You know what I mean?
Listen to me dog, man in family fi suffer. Left a hole in the bed so them nothing for recover. Body get chop up and mince with the cutter. Press the trigger making us a bun smoke like a muffler. Happy when me see people at the damn that I go shut up. Jacob push out squeeze couple pan them. We no give a fuck if a 30 man them. Them a no chatter just some the people at them. And if them want problem that a no problem.
So people, me asking at the previous review who walk with 30 man? Which artist walk with 30 man strong? And you know say the answer is POPCAAN. A POPCAAN. A POPCAAN him attack in other song. And I don't know what Alkaline and POPCAAN really have. Why Alkaline always a true shades at POPCAAN. Why every song, every gun song, all when I know gun song, it have one little shade a true half a POPCAAN. Yo, John was that. Alkaline more shady than an apple tree. You see me? But me I go telling you why Alkaline always have a pick for POPCAAN. Why every time Alkaline do a song, him always fire some kind of shot at POPCAAN. And me I go level it out for you. Me I go explain why Alkaline really hate Poppy so much. You know what I mean?
Streets don't know man legit in a war. Never fidget in a war, not once. Them a boots up a little midget in a war. Him a bitch in a the war tracks, man. Everybody know I be a box song. Kick you get a shoulda never sing that song. Oh me attack suck pussy flop can one word no say you not Batman.
Alright people, wanna hear this now. Vendetta fans nah go agree with me. But more wanna listen me and more wanna listen me keenly. Zin? Alkaline, you don't know say Alkaline is a youth in the dancehall. That man a call people name. That man is a youth, not even Vibes Cartel. Him say yo, him a give homage to. And everybody knows say if not all of it, him have some affiliation, him have some little style for Vibes Cartel. People, who know go beat me, yes or no, me not care who no want say all of the Vendetta fans them. The real Vendetta fans them and the real Gaza fans them and the real music dancehall lover them. Just comment in the comment section and tell me if I true. No this to the artist, me not take nothing from the artist, me rate the artist like whoa. But still, him have him if I even the controversial side, him learn that from Vibes Cartel. Him have something. Him go some rooms and study the business and know say yo, you know say Cartel I do that and that. Alright, you know say me I go do that and that and that. But here are the big key. Me nah go big up Vibes Cartel. None at all. None at all. We are go yo Vibes Cartel right now I'm an enemy. And that's one of the reason why it help Alkaline to be so big. Because everybody I say yo, you know say them just a listen out to hear the day come when Alkaline say, yo, big up Vibes Cartel. Alkaline just say, yo, that day they will never forward. You see me? But here, you see, because POPCAAN, to me, POPCAAN have more hits than Alkaline. You see me? POPCAAN have bigger hits than Alkaline. Yo, POPCAAN no must have more song a road and more trending song, but you see POPCAAN song them a hit and nobody can deny the fact that POPCAAN song them a hit. You see me? And me feel like Alkaline just say you know say that youth that something about that youth you know say we need to tear down that youth we are gonna tear him right down. And this is why Alkaline always a show shades at POPCAAN. People who pre the levels no man. Who pre the levels. Alkaline is not a youth for ever a show shades off of people. Or always a talk about a people. Or always a this one artist or something like so. People are say a Rygin King this song go for, but me no feel like a Rygin King this song go for. You see me? You see the part when him in a all white? Alright, me I go play it right now. I make you hear. See them in a all white.
Brother take the chair and go out like a man and just know say how with that. Them can't tame we so go tell the cops. Split them head in a half with the pickaxe is a mess up. Alright, see them bout them in a all white. Yeah, them bout them a soul for put down every gun and all night. Is a mess up. Alright, see them bout them in a all white. Yeah, them bout them a soul for put down every gun and all night.
So people did I say the part that goes out to POPCAAN. So you remember probably a month ago or something like so. Rygin King did up on his live, and then one fan asks Rygin King about Alkaline, you see me? And the man say, yo, him not in another league, him not in another class, X, Y, and Z. You see me? So people are say, that's why Alkaline said apart them Mr. All White, said them in all white. Because of the toughest song when him Mr. Pot in a white and every girl about tough. But me no feel so. Yo, the artist they too, me not underrate a man thing, but yo, Alkaline they really they on a different level than the artist they. And knowing Alkaline style and everything, Alkaline nah go call the artist they for give him the little light there, for give him the little highlight there. Remember you know man, Rygin King just bust the other day, you know. And look how much artists in our business will establish themselves in our business. One I call Alkaline name and Alkaline never show a black eye on him. All when him tattoo I did black. But you see me, that's just my point. And at them point, them feel like say why Alkaline don't like POPCAAN. And to me, yo, me I telling you, you know, something go down when me not totally get all of the facts yet. But something go down between Alkaline, Not Nice, and Squidel. Yeah man, Squid. That a POPCAAN sister. Something go down right there, so what make them kind of fall out too. But people, me nah go no nothing when me not sure. Me nah go tell you no nothing when me not know if a facts. So just stay tuned to the Chaddy TV, and then me I go reveal everything where I go forward. You see me?
Any moment no. When. Any moment no. When. Vendetta real with it. Them can't do it, and me have to deal with it. Chimney, Uptown, Kingston. Hey. Me take a phone call, me take a one picture, but me can't take your fakeness. Nobody come round.
So people, more wanna tell me in the comment section if you agree with me and say. And yes, if you have anything where you need to add upon it, like me miss a point, more wanna tell me in the comment section as well. You see me, make we have a decent talk in the comment section, a decent reasoning in the comment section. You see me, it's your boy DJ Chaddy, and people, you can follow me on IG at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And if it's the first time you're watching, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're gonna be the first to know. You see me? And people, I really appreciate you know, for my journey. Everybody see the journey where we are going on. We start from 0 subscribers and now reach 1,000 subscribers. So just tell everybody, man. Tell everybody in your family. Tell all your friends them. Tell your mother, auntie, uncle, brother, sister. Everybody. Just tell them so if you check out the Chaddy TV. You know what I mean? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and I'm out.
Jay got the links big like the mafia, them have a Russia. Love me killer, them all I'm a stepper, them a crusher. Anyhow, we see the target over, that's how we a go for. Listen to me doggy man in family, fi suffer. Left a wall in a them head, so them nothing for recover. Body get chop up and mince with the cutter, press the trigger, making us a bun smoke like a muffler. Happy when me see people like the damn that I go shut up. Jay couple short squeeze, couple pan them. We no give a fuck if a 30 man them. Them a no chatter, just some the people at them. And if them want problem, that a no problem. The pain of the fight, all the hate, all the lies done me, and somebody want me love. Push me another time, make a sing another rhyme. Cut me now, you good and I see no blood. Ready up again, pain and heartbreak. Shot me in a hit for my love. All of me life experiences, things when me got through for real, build me up as a top.